Welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Now, today I'm going to be making one of my favorite kinds of fish, which is a simple roasted fish. People have a tendency to be a bit nervous when they cook fish, but actually it's pretty easy. And this, because we all want to get our veggies in, we're going to be doing some, I love roast fish with like little roast potatoes, but also we're going to be putting in some roasted butternut squash. Let me show you how I'm going to be doing that. Doing everything into a teeny tiny dice so it cooks really quickly. This is the thing, the oven is already set to 450, and you know, that's the genius with fish, you can cook it quick and fast. Okay. Now, butternut squash like this it's a great vegetable. It's full of beta carotene, vitamin A, some vitamin C too. And like potatoes, it's actually starchy. Okay. So it's kind of a marriage made in heaven to have a potato. So now boiled one that slipped in there. I'm literally just making one serving here, so I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil into here, and I'm just going to put these in. So this is kind of classic way to roast vegetables. I'm also going to put a little bit of, whoops, this Charlotte has seen better days. And I'm just going to mix it in with a little bit of salt. Oops, what do you think? It's pretty already, actually, pink of the Charlotte. And I'm going to put it on the tray. Now, a good way to get the jump on when you're roasting vegetables is to put the tray in the oven so that it's hot first. That way, the vegetables will cook that much quicker. Now we're going to have a halibut fish. Halibut's quite an expensive fish, but it's well worth it. You can see it's thick and meaty. It's a North Atlantic fish. It has vitamin D in it as well, and also this one is not so much vitamin D, more omega-3s in it. It's just a delicious white fish. Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on that. Rub that in. That's my pepper mill. A little bit of pepper. And I'm just going to put a little dab of oil. And it's got quite a thick skin, so I'm going to be cooking that skin side down so that it gets nice and crisp on the bottom of the pot. Right, now I'm just going to get these out. And you can see they've really roasted up and got golden. Now I'm going to just make a little space. I'm just going to lay the fish in there. And in it goes back into the oven, and it's just going to roast now for about 15 minutes. This is about an inch thick, so you need about at least 10 to 15 minutes for it to cook. Now here's the halibut with potatoes and roasted squash. It looks so good. So let me just get a plate for this, and we're ready to eat it, I think. We've made some gremolata. Now, you can find the recipe on another video, but this